An inventory sheet is a spreadsheet that you can use to record inventory levels and track inventory turnovers. Inventory sheets are an important part of an inventory management that business owners and managers can use to keep up their inventory organized. Although there are no available templates in the template gallery of Google Sheets, you may still find some templates online and alter it based on your needs. And here's how you can do that. First, open up a browser, then type in Google Sheet Inventory Template in the search bar. You may choose from a variety of options, but in this case, we will choose this website. Scroll down until you find the link to the template, and Google Sheets would appear in a new tab, and make a copy of the template to edit it by going to the File tab, then select Make a Copy. In another Google Sheet tab, delete the README tab below. In the Inventory Details tab, it contains the product name, brand, color, product selling price, beginning available quantity, and the date updated. You can also include comments, as they help jog your memory of product details or conclusions on some deals. This first tab serves more like a database of all inventory available. The second tab should be used to track your daily sales. And to simplify manual input, this includes a drop-down list of all the products. The tab also contains order date, quantity sold, discount if any, and comments. And in the Report tab, this shows consolidated data on your sales and enables getting reports over a certain period. With this template, you can now edit your own inventories for your businesses. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.